Hello, hello, hello. I'm here to try this Harmless Harvest coconut water and watermelon right here. I like the original, and I don't think I've tried this before. I saw it at Sprouts. This was $10. It hurts. It physically hurts to spend $10 on 32 fluid ounces of anything. It's painful. So I'm hoping I'll like this. Alrighty. Lid off. I can smell the watermelon. That's a good sign. Cheers. Yeah, that's really nice. You definitely get the watermelon, but you also get that coconut water. $60 calories per serving, 4 servings per container. Zero added sugar, so nice. It's a little bit sweet, but it's not sugary. It's just kind of got that natural sweetness that coconut water usually has. I would get this again. I wish that they would lower the price. But if I had 10 bucks to just spend on 32 fluid ounces, I would certainly grab this. It's refreshing, it has good flavor, it's not overly sweet, and it doesn't have that bitter, dry, bitter aftertaste that some coconut waters have. That doesn't have that, so. Yeah, if you've ever tried this before, let me know what you thought of it. And if you haven't, are you a fan of drinks that include the flavor watermelon? I'm a huge fan of watermelon, but most of the time they let me down. This did not let me down. I'd give this a solid 5 out of 5. Oh yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to subscribe and thumbs up if you want, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.